Welcome back to the channel NKJ Anime and Manga. In this video we are reviewing Doppo Orochi killing a tiger. 91 kilometers south of Tokyo, there was a yacht in front of island, and on that ship Kochigawa, seeing through his binoculars on the island and relaxing on the armchair in the ship, and how could anyone be so darn selfish? And then near the island shore there was a hand upright of the oceans. The hand belongs to Doppo Orochi, who is standing still and waiting for right moment to catch a fish. His face is full covered with sweat drops. Then there is a glance of fish inside of water. Then suddenly Doppo Orochi strikes in the water and catches the fish with his bare hand and start cooking on the fire and eating like an animal. Since I came to this empty island that's about 2 kilometers in diameter, and there isn't a lot of foods on this island either, soon I will get very hungry, me and that guy as well. Then suddenly they both drinking on the pond together, Doppo Orochi and the tiger. The enemy in front of me is a strong one. That's probably what both of us thinking, and relaxing on the shore of the water. When living in the wild, you should never rush towards the danger. If you are able to move without your life being in danger, you should do so and avoid any unnecessary conflict. And Doppo Orochi start training. I want to become stronger. I want to become strong. I want to be strong. But he has no interest in that, the tiger. To him it comes with ease. To him comes with ease. There isn't any slightest hint of discomfort in his being. However, he to get hungry. 30 days has been passed, and there is a sound around that I want a lot inside my mouth. The tiger is very hungry. The saliva is dripping through his mouth, and thinking of this, that, and that also, the heart and the liver, the saliva is starting dripping. The warmth, the fat, the taste of it. I want to taste it. Just like this, he's starting thinking. Tiger imagining eating the Doppo. Bite it, chew it, drink it, chew it, swallow it. I can't anymore. And thinking all that stuffs, I can't eat that anymore. That guy is the only one left. He is strong, but he looks delicious. Tiger thinks he won't be easy prey, but he looks delicious. Perhaps the one who will be feasted upon shall be me, but he looks delicious. Doppo Orochi starting their belt, tying up and getting ready for the fight, and saying it will be karate. That is what I will use against the tiger. But fighting a tiger that isn't starving just won't do. He has to be hungry. Driven by hunger puts him in the right state of mind. Well then, Doppo Orochi said, seems you are pretty hungry, aren't you? It doesn't mean anything if their lust for blood doesn't match mine. Then the tiger start attacking the Doppo Orochi. This is what would called a concerned cat becomes as fierce as a lion. Doppo Orochi swings a right hand towards the tiger and says, I don't want to time taken. I hate tigers very badly. It's based on hunger. To survive in the wild, that is the best condition to be in. What day shall it be? Doppo Orochi strikes badly the tiger, and tiger starts bleeding from his mouth. When shall it be? It will be when I own your huge dojo. And Doppo Orochi strikes a chop on the neck of the tiger, and tiger died. The walls will be covered with the image of this exact moment in time. That's why I need him. I couldn't allow it to be in any other way. He had to be in his best condition. Tokugawa sees from his binoculars from his siege and says the fight is over. And that's it for this video. Please like and subscribe to this channel for more such videos.